Yeah.
Right?
Open it.
You see me writing anything down?
No.
Then it's not written down. It's all up here.
Hey.
She needs some help.
What's in there? It's shiny.
More
Look at
shiny.
My goodness, this is so pretty.
It's a pretty book.
Oh, wow. Look at the flowers, Kaya.
Wow. That's so
Yeah.
fragile and pretty. Special occasion dress.
This is from Uncle Bill and Annalise. Is that right?
Yes.
Kaya, say thank you.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
It was so nice of them. Here, Nikhil, here's your gift. Oh, maybe he can try it. Maybe he can try it. Here. Okay.
Who's this from?
Uncle Bill and Aunt Elise.
You gonna open it for him, Kaya?
This is cute.
Mm-hmm.
It's just on the phone.
Wow! Look at that, Nikhil.
Let's see, what is it?
Cool.
Oh.
You're cool.
Yeah.
Okay, that and that.
Say thank you, little man.
Does he have anything in his
Say
basket?
thank you.